Good morning. So let's start the exercise 6.3 question 1. So in question 1, what it given, that is angle angle COA plus angle EOB. These two angles are given. Sum of these two angles are given, that is 70 degree, and another angle, that is BOD, this angle is given as 40 degree. So we have to find the BOE triangle, BOE triangle. We have to find this triangle, this angle, and reflex COE. We have to find reflex COE. Reflex COE means actually COE. This is the angle COE. So इसका reflex क्या होगा? This will be the reflex COE. Reflex COE मतलब इसके back angle. This is the front angle. This is the front angle, that is COE, and reflex COE means it will be back angle. Clear? Okay. So you see AOB is a straight angle. Angle AOB is a straight angle. Okay, angle AOB is a straight angle. So straight angle means it is 180 degree. Angle AOB equal to 180 degree, because straight angle means 180 degree. So angle AOB 180 degree. So angle AOB, this bigger angle, it is made up of three angles. Angle COA plus angle COE plus angle EOB. Okay. So let's write down, in place of AOB, we can write angle angle COA plus angle COE plus angle EOB plus angle EOB equal to 180 degree. Why we wrote this? Because angle AOB is equal to angle COA plus angle COE plus angle EOB. This angle is the sum of these three angles. So we know that the sum of angles COA and EOB. COA angle and EOB angle already we know, that is COA plus EOB प्लस, इन दोनों को ब्रैकेट में रखते हैं, प्लस एंगल COE इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. सो COA प्लस EOB कितना है? 70 डिग्री. सो 70 डिग्री प्लस COE equal to 180 degree. Why we write this? Because we know angle COA plus angle EOB equal to 70 degree. Okay. So COE will be what? COE will be equal to 180 degree minus 70, that is 110. This is the angle COE. Okay. So we found the angle COE. Then next is the complete angle. Complete angle is 360 degree. So reflex COE angle will be what? Complete angle minus COE. जब कंप्लीट एंगल से हम COE को माइनस करेंगे तब हमको क्या मिलेगा? रिफ्लेक्स COE. तो कंप्लीट एंगल क्या है? 360 डिग्री माइनस COE अभी हमको कितना मिला? 110. सो इट विल बी 250 डिग्री. क्या हो गया? इट इज द reflex COE angle. So this angle, it is 250 degree. Clear? Complete angle means this total angle, it is 360 degree. So 360 degree minus 110, that is 250, and this is the reflex COE angle. Now you see angle COA and angle BOD. These two angles are equal. Why? Because AB and CD are intersect to each other. तो क्या लिखेंगे हम? AB and CD intersect to each other. So angle COA should be equal to angle BOD. ऐसा क्यों होगा? क्योंकि these two are what? Alternate. Vertical angles. Means COA and BOD, जब दो लाइन आपका क्या होगा? When two lines will be intersect to each other, then opposite vertical angles are equal to each other. Okay, so here AB and CD are intersecting to each other, so opposite vertical angles will be equal. So COA and BOD both are equal, and already we know BOD is what? BOD is equal to 40 degree. So COA will be equal to 40 degree. Why? Because it is given that BOD equal to 40 degree. Okay. So now we know that sum of angles COA and BOE is equal to, we know or given. Okay, we know angle COA plus angle EOB equal to 70 degree. It is given. Okay, so now we calculate COA is 40 degree. So I just place here 40 degree plus angle EOB equal to 70 degree. 40 degree, just take that side. So angle EOB equal to 70 minus 40. So angle EOB equal to 30 degree. So angle EOB equal to 30 degree. Now we found or calculate all the angles that already was asked. So this is our end of this question 1. So it is question number 2. So question number 2 is in this question it is given that x, y and a main intersect to each other. So intersect to each other means the angle, and here are the angles, it is ABC and POY is 90 degree, and there is also ratio angle A ratio angle B is equal to 2:3, and we have to find the angle C. So let's start from this ratio, that angle A ratio angle B is equal to 2:3. It means what? Angle A upon angle B is equal to 2/3. So here we multiply x. अगर हम ऊपर और नीचे x मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इसका वैल्यू वही 2/3 ही रहेगा. So it means what? Angle A is equal to 2x and angle B equal to 3x. जब कोई भी दो क्वांटिटी रेशियो में होते हैं तो उसका मतलब है फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी इज द फर्स्ट मीन्स न्यूमरेटर मल्टीप्लाई अ कॉमन नंबर that is taken as x. Here x is common number in between these two. So angle A will be 2x and angle B will be 3x. Now XOY, angle XOY is a straight angle. Angle XOY is a straight angle. So angle XOY is equal to 180 degree. Angle XOY is equal to 180 degree. So angle XOY is what? Angle B plus angle A plus POY. So let's write in place of here. Angle B plus angle A plus angle POY equal to 180 डिग्री. तो अब यहाँ पे क्यों प्लेस किया, ये तीनों आपको समझ में आ गया. एक्स वाई द सम ऑफ दिस थ्री एंगल्स. सो नाउ अब एंगल बी क्या है? एंगल बी इज एंगल बी इज 3x. So put here 3x plus angle A 2x. So put here 2x plus POY angle is 90 degree. So it is 180 degree. Okay. So now here we can solve this. Here you see 3x plus 2x plus 90 equal to 180. So 3x plus 2x is 5x. 5x. I just put your star here and here it is star. 5x plus 90 equal to 180. So 5x equal to 180 minus 90, it is equal to 90 degree. So x will be equal to 90 upon 5. So that is 5 1 are 5, 4 left 40, 5 8 are 40. So x will be equal to 18 degree. तो अगर x 18 degree हुआ, so angle is what? Angle A is 2x. So 2x, it means 2 multiply x, it means 2 multiply 18, it is 36 degree. तो एंगल ए हमको मिल गया 36 डिग्री. एंगल बी इट इज व्हाट 3x. एंगल बी इज 3x. सो 3 मल्टीप्लाई x, इट इज 3 मल्टीप्लाई 18. सो 3 मल्टीप्लाई 18, then it is 3 8 is 24, 4 2, then 5, 54 degree. So the angle B becomes 54 degree. Now we found the value of A and the value of B. So now let's proceed. Here you see XOY is a straight angle, and we can write these two angle. Below side angle, angle C plus YO. पहले तो हम ये लेंगे, क्या लेंगे? Let's write, we know what? XY intersect MN. XY intersects MN. Okay. अगर XY MN को intersect कर रहा है, then what happen? Vertical opposite angles will be equal. So what are the vertical opposite angles? So the vertical opposite angles is YON and MOX. You just see there, angle MOX should be equal to angle YON. Here we may write vertical opposite angles. Okay. So angle MOX, that is B. Angle B is equal to angle YON. So angle B already we calculated, that is 54 degree. So 54 degree is equal to angle YON. So it means angle YON is equal to 54 degree. It is equation 1. YON हमको मिल गया कितना? It is 54 degree. Okay. So now let's proceed. XOY is a straight line. Again, XOY is a straight angle. So we may go to the top of this angle. So it will be B plus A plus BOY is 180 degree. If we go down, so it will be the angle XON and YON. So these two angles, sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. These two angles. So let's write, means XOYN means angle C. Angle C plus angle YON. angle YON equal to 180 degree. So angle C plus angle YON we will just calculate here 54 degree. It is 180 degree. So angle C will be what? Angle C will be what? 180 minus 54 degree. So 180 minus 54, it will be 26, 126. 126 degree, and that will be angle C. Now, this is our answer. Angle C equal to 126 degree. So this is the end of this question number 2. So I think you understood well